Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping all writes to the affected storage. This prevents overwrite and preserves recoverable data. Next, make a full sector image of the device using DD or a forensic imager. Once done, work on the image, not the original. Also, identify the file format, the application version that created it, and locate any partial backups. Knowing the file signature and metadata helps select the correct repair tool. Make sure to document each step, because rollback and repeatability are critical. You now inspect the image with hex and file signature tools to locate the header and markers. This tells you what's intact and what's corrupted. Once you find valid segments, extract them with format-aware parsers. For example, use Office Repair, Photo Recovery, or FFmpeg for media. Then reconstruct indices, offsets, and checksums so the application can recognize the file. This step often involves scripting small fixes or using a hex editor to patch bytes. Make sure to save incremental. You finish by validating the repaired file in a safe environment. Open it with the original app or a compatible viewer to confirm usability. If it works, export a healthy copy and update your backup strategy. Keep the original disk image and all recovery attempts with checksums for later review. If problems persist, try different repair utilities, attempt partial content recovery, or consider professional data recovery services. If none succeed, that alternate path often yields the last viable results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.